Hi everybody, it's Robert at MySchoolYear.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use the bulk update feature in the Tools section of lesson plans. This tool is extremely powerful for making updates across multiple lesson plans at one time. Let's get started. I'm in William's geometry class, and I use Create a Plan to generate all of my lessons for this class. However, when I created all of the daily assignments, I accidentally forgot to set the grade type, so now all the grade types are set to Not Graded. I'm going to fix this with the Bulk Update tool right now. I get to the Bulk Update tool by clicking the Tools button and then clicking the Bulk Update button. A variety of search criteria appears in order to help select the particular set of lesson plans that need to be updated. I have the option to search by lesson name, completion status, dates, grade type, and date range. Since all of my daily assignments include the word chapter, I can enter that in the lesson name search field. I now click the preview button and my 94 daily assignments are shown. Please notice that I can deselect any lessons I do not want to change, but in this case, I need to update all of my lessons. I scroll to the bottom of the page, and Bulk Update allows me to update the completion status, grade, time spent, grade type, allow rescheduling, notes, and material. In order to fix my lessons, I change the grade type from No Change to Update, then I set the grade type to be Assignment Daily. I click the green Update button, and then click OK in the confirmation pop-ups, and the screen will refresh. Let's check out our update. As you can see, this lesson was originally not graded, but with the help of the Bulk Update tool, I was able to change all the lessons at once. As a further check, I can see that my test lesson is still set to a grade type of test. It did not change it. However, I realize I forgot my materials. The daily assignment is missing its associated materials, so I will use the Bulk Update tool again. We can search for our lessons this time by selecting grade type of Assignment Daily. We click the preview and all of our lessons appear, and I scroll to the bottom. I click Update on Materials and enter in my material name, Jacob's Geometry. Be sure to click the Add button, then click Update and Confirm. A quick edit shows that our materials have now been added. Finally, I want to catch up on my grading and mark all lessons in the past as complete, assign them a grade, and report the time spent. I go to the Bulk Update tool once more and search for all daily assignments before today, which is December 7th, 2018. The lessons returned are correct, and I scroll to the bottom. I then mark the lesson complete, set the grade to 100, and the time spent to 60 minutes. I click Update and Confirm. Doing a quick check by filtering on Complete, I can see all of my changes have been made. As you can see, Bulk Update is a powerful tool that easily allows you to search, manage, and update all of your lessons with a few simple clicks. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing MySchoolYear.com.